Hi friends, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to be crocheting my daughter's blanket with the vintage granny square flower. I don't know if you know which one, but you'll eventually see. Anyway, at the moment we're renovating the house, so we are everywhere and nowhere at the same time, so crocheting is all over the place. And at the moment I'm doing my intro in my car. So obviously I got my yarn with me, and I'm super excited to start this blanket for her daisy floral bedroom. Hi friends, I'm in my temporary office. It's my son's room. I did those things. Anyway, ignore the mess in the background, but as you might know, we're renovating the place at the moment, so... But we've got some time for crochet. Yesterday, actually, I was following a pattern and I was trying to figure out how to make the squares. So I have my first square here. I think I'm going to stick with this pattern, but I'm going to increase another round, I think, of crochet, just to have a bit of a larger background. Apart from that, I'm going to use the hook size 6 and compare the size, because I thought I would get a bit of a larger square. So I'm going to use my 6mm hook and another 3 colors, which I will be shuffling around these colors. I think I'm going to go for these 3 now. Okay, so I will be doing the square in 6mm, and then I will compare the squares and decide which hook I'm going to move forward with. If I haven't mentioned, I'm planning to do a single bed blanket for her, for my daughter's room, and so I need a bit of a huge number of squares. So it will help a little bit more if the square gets larger. square with a 6mm hook, and I love the colors, by the way, looking so cute. And this is the one worked with a 5mm hook. Now the difference is not much. Obviously if I block them it will be a little bit bigger, this one, but considering sort of the number of holes that you can see through, I think I'm gonna go with the 5mm hook to have a tighter, more finished look. So now that these are done and I have decided to go with the 5mm hook, I'm going to measure it and get an idea of how many squares I would like to do according to how big I want it. I'm planning to do a single bed measurement, then adding a little bit of border. So let me check how many squares I will need to create. I do not have much supplies here. Thankfully, I do have the measuring tape. So the square is of 17 centimeters. So we would need around 6 squares by 11. That would mean that I need 66 squares. That means that you will be joining me all around with no office space while I create these squares. How long it would take, I don't know. But just for your information, at the moment it is end of July, and let's see how long this will take.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down.